You have a good day at Grandma's house. Check out all this baby stuff I got yesterday. I'm getting pretty good at this baby shopping thing. Bye, Carlos. Love you. Bye, Pin. Car's loaded. We're going to my friend Josh at Deerdorf's shop. And he's going to weld on the tab for the 4th trunk pin. Finally, we're going to have a fucking trunk on the car while drifting. Oh, it's been way too long. And if you missed yesterday's video, well, then you missed out because we put the dash in and it looks bad fucking ass. Oh, everything's loaded. Got to turn the truck around, hook up the trailer, and be out. Good, so we're about to pull up. I said it's the 2nd driveway. Not sure what that means. Yeah, this place is nice. This is my house. Look at this dick in there. It's a nice pad. Alright. The address is fucking false. You need to fix that on Google.
Yeah, well.
I went to a lake.
So we're gonna put the car over here and you can leave the trailer down here.
Can I just back it in? Let's unload the car and then I'll back the trailer back.
Sounds good.
Alright. All right. Nice little office. Keep shit clean around here. I like this. Chassis in there. I've been friends with Josh since I was a little kid. Check this out. They be getting shit done in here. So Josh does all the fabrication for these guys' stuff. This is so sick. The shop's so nice. Let's go see what's back here. Josh just gave us a sick ass tour of this place. Some of it's secret that you guys aren't allowed to see. But be honest, dude, the car looks good sitting in here. It's all clean and shit. A bunch of expensive tools. So now I gotta go track down this this post for the trunk pin. Look at this Bronco. This thing is sick. This color is sick. Look at this fucker. God damn. Drift life. Alright. Picked up a new whip. We're going to the auto parts store. Still Josh's GMC Jimmy. Is this thing in drive, dude? Is the brake on?
Yep.
Cool, we're out. Later. Alright, we're going this way. Stop by the truck real fast. Look how pretty it is out here.
The trunk. So we started out with a basic template for some tabs, knocked out a very simple tab that we can use for all 4 spots and then fit them in individually to each section. When cars like this are built and the fiberglass doesn't fit perfectly in every single spot, you don't make
shots. All right, okay.
It's a race car, that's how shit works.
All right.
You don't get to make one tab that fits everything, so you fit each tab individually to the spot that it's going in. So it makes sense to start with one tab that can fit everywhere, and then you cut it down to fit in each spot. So once everything's fit in, we get everything clamped up. There's some really quick clamps just holding these 2 tabs in to hold the pins in to show where everything's going. Make sure everything fits perfectly. We'll fit the trunk on a couple more times with all the tabs in, blow the fenders off, and then weld everything together. And that's how it works.
Haven't seen this site for a while. This is about 8 inches of sand, rubber, dirt, clay, and road grime. It's packed. You got a shovel, dude, so I can shovel this out? So for the first time in a long time, I have a trunk. I haven't had a trunk since it blew off in Gainesville. Looks good. Thank you, Josh. She's ready to party.
Let's party.
I know, there's still one more day. Oh, it looks so good. So before I end today's video, I want to show you guys what we did. You can see there used to be like nuts on top of the post for the trunk pin, but now they're underneath thanks to Josh's tabs that he made. Let's see if you can see this one. Can't really see them. They're hidden really well. Oh, there we go. Okay, you can see that one kind of. Probably should have showed you guys this before I put the quarter panels back on. But we were just so stoked to get the quarter panels back on and then not do anything. Be worth the drive. And then the S15 dash, I blew it off with some shop air, and that, god damn, it looks good. Oh, it looks so good. Very happy with that.